But you get everything I just see for online just now, I say make I quickly just come online and talk about it, I see one video, say protester they just jump enter ammo car of police. But anyway, I just hope say the police, the Nigerian police, I trust them, sha. I trust them. I trust that they will do a very good job. They will do what is necessary, but they know it is right and all of that. And at the same time, I trust the Nigerian government. May they still do within they right. You understand? This is not see the plight of the people. You understand? It's actually not really, really. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy out there. The Nigerian people are suffering. You get, so I just believe, they pray, may the government just in their own way, in their own mind, may they just okay, may they still may they listen to the people small. You understand? Sometimes not be by just say maybe you hear things, then at the end of the day come out upon her. You understand? When somebody if pikin they cry, most of the time, man. Sometimes not just they ignore the pikin say they always like to they cry too much. Sometimes try waiting they happen, waiting they do that pikin, waiting they bite that pikin, we make that pikin they cry. Government now, what you want to do? Federal government, we can help us. Try, we can come down to our level. See, okay, we can say, okay, what did they happen to this pikin when they cry like this? You understand? Because and they say if so many of them they are sure, say now they are should say they downstream where would they? Now go understand what they go on for this country. But because of not they, don't they understand what they, don't they know what they go on. You understand? People like don't they know how they buy one cup of gari for this thing, one rubber of gari for 4,000 naira. Understand? That one rubber of gari say before 1 week that the thing don't finish. You understand? And then wait, how much be your salary? You understand? You cannot even buy one bag of rice now to make it for house. Maybe you and your family they eat. Government, what can I listen? Understand? And do what is necessary and do what is right. We don't want to make this country. We want to make this country better for everybody. That's what we want. Understand? So policies that should be made should be what will benefit the people and not what will crumble the people. You understand? You see, you cannot actually lead a nation well when the people are subjected, to inhuman. You understand? The people needs to be properly, carried along. And that's so nation till they grow. Now so me understand say people till they grow. You understand? But all this one we're going to do now. Anyway, may God help. May mouth. We move.